Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the NIX color sensor to help with ink limiting, which is the first and most important step in creating a new print mode. Before viewing this video, we strongly recommend you check out our video addressing the concept and reasons for ink limiting, which we'll link in the description below. After you've printed your color charts as shown in the ink limiting video, use the NIX color sensor to measure the red, green, and blue values on the ink charts. Getting a quality red is important as this color is challenging to hit accurately. The aim is to get the deepest colors without over-inking or sacrificing quality. Bleeding, coalescence, banding, and graininess are things you want to avoid. Using a flashlight or other bright light to get a better look at your color output is highly recommended when ink limiting. Next, note the CIE Lab L values. The lower the L value, the better. This will be affected by the CMYK inks and media. In standard offset printing, or ISO coded, values of a red 47, green 50, and blue 24 are optimal. For standard offset printing ISO uncoded, values of a red 54, a green 54, and blue 38 are optimal. A red L value in the low 40s tends to be the most pleasing. However, this is subjective and will still depend on the magenta values. Different ink sets can still give a very high color gamut when lower as well. It is important to look at the rate of change. If A1 is 50 and C1 is 45, then it makes sense to use C1 so long as there are no other issues. If D1 is 45 and G1 is 46, which is a lot more ink, you should still use C1 since there isn't a large enough difference to warrant the use of more ink. Always consider the rate of change, or the improved gamut, versus the appearance of artifacts such as bleed, coalescence, or banding. Also, don't be afraid to compromise. Take a look at the change in density, or the lightness value, and go as high as you can without introducing unacceptable amounts of over-inking issues. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering all of Cadling's products.